Good afternoon, this is our problem for today. This is a polynomial division, okay? That is the one that we can see here. We're gonna do this in 3 really fast steps. Our first step is to arrange all our numbers from the biggest exponent to the smallest exponent. My biggest exponent is 3. My second exponent is 1 and then 0. But what I need to have is, for example, if my biggest exponent is 4, I need to have obligatory 3, 2, and 1. Okay? We cannot eliminate an exponent. For example, if I have a 4 for my biggest exponent, I need to have a 3. But if I don't have a 2, these 6 steps are gonna change a little bit. Okay, as it is shown in here, for example, this blank space, I left it because here is like my imaginary exponent 2. So it is count like a 0. So our first step in here is to find a number that if we multiply times x, we get 5x squared. So this number is 5x squared, okay? So 5x squared times x, we get 5x cubed, okay? So we put it here as a minus because we're going to subtract. So every number I get in every step, I'm going to change the sign with the opposite. For example, if I have a plus here, I need to change it for a minus. Okay, so in here, in this one, I need to multiply this number times 1. So we get minus 5x squared. So our result is, we eliminate these ones because it's minus, this minus and plus, so it doesn't exist. We put 5x squared and we put everything down. That is minus 2x plus 3, this one. So our next step is gonna be the same. We need to find a number that if we multiply x times a number, we get this. So that number is minus 5x. Minus 5x times x, we get minus 5x squared. So then I need to multiply minus 5x times 1, as we did it in the last one, in the last step. So I get minus 5x. So as we said, in this one, I need to change my signs because I'm subtracting. Okay, so I put a plus, and here I put also a plus. So minus 2x plus 5x, I get 3x. And we put this one that is alone down. So our next step is gonna be the same as the other ones. I need to find a number that if we multiply this, we get this. So that number is 3, because 3 times x, we get 3x. So our next step is 3 times 1, we get minus 3. Remember that we need to put a minus because we are subtracting. So here my result is minus 3x minus 3. So this is gonna be eliminated, all those numbers. So our result is 0. Our result is gonna be all numbers that are up in this house. So this is everything.